And we get our birthday list started with a number 1 on the board. I love number 1, the balloons. You know what I love more? The bow. That is a great picture of Miss Kennedy Wirick. Happy big one to you, kiddo. She is in Seneca.
She's bright as a rainbow. What a cutie there. And we've got Riley Moore turning 10 years old. Pretty in her dress in Crestline. Happy birthday, Riley.
I like the spelling of that. That's cool. I really like that. Brady Green celebrating a 12th birthday along with the grand champion Bucket Calf. Congratulations, Brayden, and a very happy birthday to you as he rolls on in Columbus.
All right, and welcome to the teenage years, Sammy Martin. Sammy is celebrating in Mound Valley, Kansas.
You know, she's got that Mound Valley track and field shirt on, right?
Yep.
I'm telling you, the amount, it has amazed me, and Sammy, since you're out there running track and field out of Mound Valley, it amazes me the amount of athletes that, like Sammy, that Mountain Valley turns out. You don't want to run into those kids on an athletic endeavor. They're good. Happy birthday, Sammy.
All right.
Let the rest of the 4 states win something every now and then. How about that? Isaiah Lawrence, he is celebrating his 14th birthday. Storm Chaser in training. Hey, buddy, let's let everything roll through. And but I appreciate that, man. I'm a weather geek just like you. I'm down with that. And Isaiah is in Joplin, and I don't know, maybe he's got his eyes on the radar right now.
What a fitting day to wear that shirt. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Up in Uniontown, Delaney Covey is celebrating birthday number 17 this year. Happy birthday to Delaney.
I'll bet you it was a prom picture.
I bet so too.
I bet you.
That's a cool ride to take that pic in front of too.
Nice
Pretty
job,
dress.
Delaney. Hunter Mulheron turning 27. A happy birthday to Hunter. He is in Frontenac.
And Sue Drennen celebrating another year wiser in Crestline. Happy birthday, Sue.
A happy birthday to Dennis Kimsey. It's National Superhero Day, and so there's Captain America.
Nice.
AKA Dennis Kimsey. Happy birthday, Dennis. I'm going to come back to the one at the top of this next list. I'll come back and we're going to pick on her a little bit. Bill Schroeder, a happy 68th in Lockwood. Now, this is kind of cool because Dennis Ambler. Dennis is in Lamar. Bill's in Lockwood, and they're both sharing their 68th birthday. Well, it just so happens that they are really good friends with one another. So that is truly awesome right there. Bill and Dennis, a very happy birthday to you, and it's great to know about that friendship that you have as well. Now, this woman at the top of the list, I'll figure out the whole picture thing about that. I'll take care of that. But I want to tell you about someone who is the example and the epitome of human dignity, and her name is June Shipman. The way that she takes care of people, the way that she treats people, and if you know Miss June and you ever see her, it doesn't matter what kind of day you're having. She is going to put a smile on your face some way, somehow. June, a happy birthday from all of us here, and I want you to know how much I love you, and I hope I see you soon. Happy birthday, June. Now here's Tanya Bogley, very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You could be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.